Hello everyone. Now let us talk about how you can handle your stress now in this last month of April. All your pressure must be really high. You must be panicking as to what to do. My subject syllabus is not getting over. Please don't worry about all these things, friends. You have given your best. I will just show you a curve which actually will help you to understand how you can maximize your output for the upcoming examination. Stress and tension is good, but it's good only up to one particular limit. If your stress and tension goes above that limit, then you are bound to, perform less. So let me put a graph over here. This graph, I'll put stress on this side and performance on this side. All right. So I'll just put the blue line as stress. So maybe I'll call it as blue stress, and the red line will be for performance. All right. Friends, ideally, when your stress level starts going up, it can go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Like this, it can keep on increasing. But if your stress is too less also, you don't get very good output. So at that time, your performance is also less. Now, for example, 2 months back, you're studying for the exam. You're all very much relaxed. You don't know exam is there. We have got 3 months time. So you're not very much pressurized. So what will happen? Your performance also will be very low. As your tension keeps on increasing, your performance also keeps on increasing. After one point, your tension goes up and you want to sit and study, but you're unable to study. At that time, your performance starts coming down. Friends, this is the optimum point. So when I say this is the optimum point, what I'm trying to tell is that you should have stress, but stress should be at this point. Understood? So if you are very relaxed, please create some stress for you. That is important. If you are very much stressed, if it goes beyond this level, your performance is coming down. At this time, what are you supposed to do, friends? You are supposed to de-stress. How do you de-stress? Talk to any of your win-win buddies. They will help you. Do some form of exercise. Get some sleep. All right. All these are very much useful. Eat some, healthy food. Chocolates really help you to bring down your stress, friends. So keep some chocolates with you, have it, but bring down your stress, because if you just get tensed out, it will not help you. Maintain the stress at the optimum level so that you get the best output from the examination. So this is the secret of getting the best performance, friends. Study well. I am with you.